Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. Indian cities situated along the rivers. Agra, situated at the river Yamuna, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Gaya, situated at the river Falgu, in the state of Bihar. Bhagalpur, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Bihar. Firozpur, situated at the river Sutlej, in the state of Punjab. Gwalior, situated at the river Chambal, in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Hyderabad, situated at the river Musi, in the state of Telangana. Kanpur, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Kota, situated at the river Chambal, in the state of Rajasthan. Mathura, situated at the river Yamuna, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Mirzapur, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Nanded, situated at the river Godavari, in the state of Maharashtra. Patna, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Bihar. Rourkela, situated at the river Brahmani, in the state of Odisha. Surat, situated at the river Tapi, in the state of Gujarat. Varanasi, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Ahmedabad, situated at the river Sabarmati, in the state of Gujarat. Ayodhya, situated at the river Saryu, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Dibrugarh, situated at the river Brahmaputra, in the state of Assam. Farrukhabad, situated at the river Ganges, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Guwahati, situated at the river Brahmaputra, in the state of Assam. Kanchipuram, situated at the river Vegavati Pallar, in the state of Tamil Nadu. Lucknow, situated at the river Gomti, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Bangalore, situated at the river Vrishabhavati, in the state of Karnataka. Amaravati, situated at the river Krishna, in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Nasik, situated at the river Godavari in the state of Maharashtra. Pune, situated at the river Mulla Mutta in the state of Maharashtra. Sambalpur, situated at the river Mahanadi in the state of Odisha. Tiruchirappalli, situated at the river Kaveri in the state of Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli, situated at the river Tamirabarani in the state of Tamil Nadu. Allahabad, situated at the river Ganga Yamuna in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Cuttack, situated at the river Mahanadi in the state of Odisha. Gorakhpur, situated at the river Rapti in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Haridwar, situated at the river Ganges in the state of Uttarakhand. Jaunpur, situated at the river Gomti in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Kolkata, situated at the river Hooghly in the state of West Bengal. Madurai, situated at the river Vaigai in the state of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, situated at the river Noyal in the state of Tamil Nadu. Murshidabad, situated at the river Hooghly in the state of West Bengal. New Delhi, situated at the river Yamuna in the state of Delhi. Rajahmundry, situated at the river of Godavari in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Srinagar, situated at the river of Jhelum in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Ujjain, situated at the river of Shipra in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Vijayawada, situated at the river of Krishna in the state of Andhra Pradesh.